Jocelyn. I'm going to smell creamy peanut butter on an empty paper. Okay? Start it in 1, 2, 3, go! You gotta spread all over it. I don't want you miss. I don't want you to do it everywhere. I want to do it inside. Okay. Got some all over me. It's getting messy all over the place. I do some.
You'll get your own. Just wait. Spread it all over the roll.
Jocelyn's gonna do all of
You have your own. I have one for you.
Hi, I'm going to pour this gently into my plate. And
What are you pouring?
Bod seeds for my paper bowl. That's all. Finished now. And I'm going to go gently after I'm done. So, I'm going to start now. Now it's time for the big entrance. Sorry. But we don't got some more left. Sorry, I'm making a big mess.
That's okay. A little messy, huh?
Okay. The vault was expected.
3.
No, I'm going to place this on a bottom outside and then wash it. See the birds eat it. Thank you. Now, see you next time on Amazing Jocelyn's Craft Art.